Today we're going to review... What? No, this is not the right printer I'm going to review today. Hold on. This is the right one. We're going to review the ER-20 from Eryone. My name is Bashar, and this stock 3D printing. Now, you guys know I have a Thinker S, and I update the bed, and I'm still looking all the time for good printer, great out of the stock, and I really hear good stuff about that ER-20. A lot of people say it's good. I see a lot of people post a lot of Facebook with the printer, and I said I need to try it. And it's the fun and best part, it's open the box. Oh wow, look at that manual. I love manual. Is this like a book? That's beautiful. And what is that? That's the assemble instruction. Test before the print, I think. That's the quick guide. I think they ran out from paper. But looks simple. Look at that. Tiny simple filament. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Dig in. Okay, huge foam. This one. Oh, look at that. Nice packing list. Wow. I believe this is the most organized kit I see it so far. USB cable, extra gift spare screw, memory card, the knob. My God, look at that. Oh, look at those tools. Cutter, can wrench. That's really good. And install secure. And now let's see the gathering. Look at this one. Oh, it's come with that. Okay, hot nozzle. What is that? Oh, the Beal Touch. That compared with that Thinker S look very small. Okay, let's put it in the side. What else we have? More foam. This is a huge box for small, tiny, but that means that will protect the printer from shipping. Oops. And this is the bed that will cool. Those motors, that's good. Look at that, everything closed. Memory card, okay. Is anything left? I think we have everything. That really nice wool bag. So remove this on the side. Oops, one of the flash channel. That everything come with the package. It's time to assemble. the story behind the printer. I have Thinker S and it's been doing amazing. Still stock. I don't do any upgrade or anything, and I've been printing a lot of stuff from small and big, and it's really doing amazing job. But I've been seeing a lot of people talk about the ER-20, and I've been seeing the Facebook they're posting, they're been printing amazing stuff, and I decided I need to try the printer. I ordered through Amazon, and it cost me for like, if I'm not mistaken, $250 US, and the printer come with a 32-bit motherboard and the silent stepper driver. Also, they have the bed leveling sensor, and they have the power failure system. Plus of that, the printing size is 250 by 220 by 200, and of course they have the dual Z-axis. Now, the printer has been with me for more than 3 weeks. I print a lot of stuff, but I start with the stuff was in the memory card, and I don't see it. It was good. Like the most thing was impressed me is the first layer. Look at that. That was amazing. But there was small stuff here and there. I don't know if the filament, but it's okay. After that, I print the screw here, and also I print this same one when I used my ThinkerS, and turns out good. Now after that, I print the cube, and you can see I like start with the blue matte filament PLA, and was in the end of the spool, and I used finish it with the silver, and it turns out not bad, was good. Now I noticed something when I use those file being sliced in the memory card. Like everyone have different temperature and all these stuff, and I think this spliced them with a different slicer. But I went and I sliced something by Cura 8 point something, I don't remember exactly the number, and the first thing I print, as usually, our classic Baby Yoda. Now it's come good, but there was small thing here and there, but turns out it's good. And as usual, I cut his finger when I tried to remove the support, but was good, like was not bad. Now after that, I changed the filament, and I decide play with my slicer profile, and I print this cat culprit, and turns out it's good. And after that, I didn't get that perfect profile yet, and I print Pinchy, and turns out it's good. Look at that, it was beautiful, not bad. And you can see the letters here, and everything looks good. There are small things in here and there, but turns out is good in general. Now I reached Eryone 1 and I asked him about their profile. I remember they mentioned try use the Cura 9.1, but I don't listen to them. I continue play with my profile, and I print this also from Clock Spring, and this is also the rainbow filament from Eryone 1, and it turns out not bad. But still, I have a issue with my profile, and I print this bunny. But still, you can see there is some issue here and there, and I keep see the same problem, and I know this was from the profile. In the end, I listened to them, and I wish to listen to them early, and I download the Cura 9.1, and after that, the magic start. I print this. Also, this is yellow PLA from Eryone 1. By the way, all the filament in this review, they're all from Eryone 1. It's my favorite my favorite filament in general. I really like their filament. But this turns out good. I was impressed with the result, with the first layer. Everything was amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now, after that, I decided to print Spider-Man, but I really don't remember who's the designer. I think if I'm not my manufacturer, I find this, but printed out with the red PLA, and turns out it's good. As I mentioned, like all the magic star after that. Now, continue now with the printing. Now I need to challenge the printer. and I print Albstein. You can see this guy. This thing is turned out beautiful. Look at that. I was impressed when I printed this. Also the copper BLA, and it's beautiful. Look at that. The details, the hair, the face details. Now I use support for his mustaches here to put support. I was worried he's not gonna come out good, but it turns out it's good. And look at that. You can print something this big with ER-20, which is something amazing. Now after that, I print some organizer for my battery. It turns out it's good. I'm still good. There's no support with this one, which turns out good. And for sure, I print a Faz also. This is also from Spring Clock. Turns out good. Look at that. That I think letter blue from Eryone, and come out very beautiful. Also, I buy a new filament. It's called green matte, and I print this card, and turns out it's really good. And look at that, beautiful. All these colors. Like also look at this. Like here, the surface is very smooth. And also this is because this is very but you can see the wheels work perfect. Now before I record this review, I was trying to print with TPU, and I was not thinking the print will be easy. Done good job, and yes, I print TPU bunchy, and look at that, come out very beautiful, really nice. And look at that. Like all these flexy stuff. I'm really happy with the result. Look at that. Now I think need a little bit tweaking here and there, but in general come out very beautiful. Now we come with the what I like, what I don't like. Let's start with stuff I don't like. I really don't. I have nothing too much to say. I don't like the printer is good. Everything is like maybe the things bother me a little bit is the screen. I don't know, like every time I'm try testing or do something, the screen bed come up, but something minor is not like a big deal. The only thing I was wishing is there's a belt tensioner like here or here. I was hoping to find something like this that will make easy, especially in this kind of stage of printer. I think those stuff should be by default. There is nothing bother me with the printer. Maybe another thing I wish really was the printer have second fan here, like need to be like 2. That will help a lot when you try to print with different material or different filament. But in general, it's been doing good job. I have no problem with cooling, and I've been printing a lot of stuff been with the high speed like 60 and 50. I know some people like to print more than that, but this is with this kind of printer. It's that's what you expect. That's what speed you should be all the time print. Other than that, I really don't find there is a big problem. Now, what I like, there is a lot of stuff I really like with the printer. First of all, the design, it's beautiful. It's look beautiful, and it looks solid, and the way the design, even those small legs here and there, it's really give you that feeling is a good printer and is a strong printer, which is. Plus of that, it would be nice if I am a designer and I need printer next to my office. I will keep it. It's look very beautiful. It's not like look like cheap or an old. It's look really different design. The other thing I really love in the printer is it's very silent, and I don't know if you can hear it. It's like on now, and you can there's fan. I can hear it, but it's not loud like other printer. And even when I'm printing, I had done a lot of meetings, and it's really quiet. Like this is the most quiet printer I see it now from all what I have from printer. The bed glass, the encoding bed glass is really good. It's easy to remove the bed once it's cold. the other thing also I really like, it's this small screen here. This is like to show you their motherboard temperature, which is something really good add features. Now, other things I really like with Eryone 1, the support. The way company support you, it's really amazing, and it's really sometimes like, wow, this is really good. Like, I have really bad experience with two companies when I try to find support or a spare, but with them I have no problem. Now, when I buy the printer, accidentally I hit the sensor and I broke this bin here, and I reached them within 3 weeks. I get the replacement, was also free for charge, which is something amazing to see after sales, especially with those printer, because usually those companies don't care. Like, I'm done, have a good day, I want to deal with you. But in general, everything good with the printer. I have no problem. The good thing also I really like with it is the profile. Now you have the ER-20 profile already in Cura 9, and it's really good. And as I mentioned, I print all these stuff with their, I will call it, stock profile, which come out very beautiful. And this is like what I like in the printer. Now, I recommended this printer for somebody new to 3D printing? Definitely yes. The auto bed leveling, the support, the coding, the bed, all these stuff make the experience is very easy. Plus of that, I don't mention, it's the assembling was very easy. Is like take me like, I will say 10 minutes, or I will say 15 minutes, just to screw here and to screw here, and you screw the hot end, and boom, you're done. I really recommend it for somebody who wanna beginning with the 3D printing. And plus of that, look at that TBU. If you're looking for an extra printer, if you have a big printer and you want something small, quick, definitely this is one of the best options you have now in the market, and it's really good, solid printer. And bit value, like the printing size is still big, still good. You can see I print all these stuff. And if you're running like a 3D printing farm, I think that also will be a good option for you. It's really good printer. That's what I think about the printer. Now, if you want to buy the printer, you can buy it through Amazon. I really all the time recommend it buy it through Amazon or from their website. For now, there is like around 300 each, but there is a coupons for $50. The printer will be $250 US dollars if you order it from Amazon. Now, this is my review today for ER-20. If you have the printer and you have a different opinion with it, I really love to hear those stuff in the comment. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn off notification, and keep printing.